안녕하세요, 여러분. Today we will learn about the compound vowels that are formed by combining two basic vowels. The following compound vowels are created by combining two basic vowels. Today we will learn 7 compound vowels. This is formed by combining O and A. O, A, O, A, wa. Wa, kwa, hua. And this is U and O. U, O, wa. Wa, qua, hua. This is O and A. Oe, we. We, que, hue. And this is U and E. We, we. We, que, hue. However, this is pronounced as we, not oi. We, que, hue. As you may have noticed, there are 3 compound vowels that sound like we. Although the pronunciation of each vowel is slightly different, people often don't distinguish between them in everyday speech. However, the meaning of words and sentences can change depending on the spelling, so it's important to be careful when writing these vowels. This is U and E. U, E, we. We, qui, hui. And this is U and E. Ui, ui. Ui, hui. Let's look at how consonants and compound vowels combine to form syllabic block. When combining a consonant and a compound vowel, write the consonant in the top left corner and place the compound vowels in the remaining space. For example, when writing kwa, place ku in the top left corner, then write the horizontally shaped vowel O below it and the vertically shaped vowel A to the right. Even for vowel-only syllables without an initial consonant, the space is divided and filled accordingly. Write the filler in the top left corner and place the compound vowel in the remaining space. When adding a final consonant, it is written below the vowel at the bottom of the syllabic block. Now, let's learn some basic words that include compound vowels. 왜, why. 사과, apple. 과자, snack. 과일, fruit. 전화, telephone. 전화 means telephone in Korean. On the other hand, mobile phone is called 휴대전화, and in everyday conversation, it is often referred to as 핸드폰. 핸드폰. 화장실, restroom. The men's restroom is called 남자 화장실, and ladies' restroom is 여자 화장실. 돼지, pig. 가위, scissors. 의자, chair. 의사, doctor. 회사, company. 회사원, the person who works at a company. 공무원. 공무원 refers to a public official or government employee. 병원, hospital. 도서관, library. waiter, waiter. Today Today, we've covered 7 compound vowels. 와, 왜, 워, 위, 의. There are 21 vowels in Hangul, and we will finish it learning all of them. That's all for today. See you in the next video. 감사합니다.